May Mendoza update na nasa event si Main for Unilab and 80th anniversary kick-off. And pangayang host si Kuya Robby. Ito yung video.
You wanna say hi there, mga birds?
Grabe, daming tao. Hello everyone! Magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. Grabe, nakakatawa naman makasama sa milestone ng Unilab nito. Happy 80th anniversary Unilab!
Grabe, pinag-uusapan lang natin kanina yung nangyari noon sa Unilab. In 80 years forward, the Unilab Group stands strong as the home of over 400 trusted brands offering both over-the-counter and prescription products. I'm sure you all agree, especially you.
Oo naman, Robby. At bukod dyan, sa loob ng 8 dekada, kilala Unilab sa, alam natin yan, husay, malasakit at bayanihan. At talaga nararamdaman natin ang alagang Unilab sa kanilang mga serbisyo at mga produkto.
Ang sarap sabihin na alagang Unilab talaga, no?
I'm so blessed to be part of this family. Robby.
Yes, Unilab has truly evolved into a name that millions of Filipinos continue to trust. And what's even more remarkable is how Unilab has not only maintained its relevance, but also it has grown stronger, especially in today's fast-changing world.
Ang Unilab, Robby, hindi lang naging nananatili bilang healthcare provider dahil naging simbolo na rin po ito ng pag-asa at suporta sa mga pamilya at sa iba't ibang komunidad sa buong bansa.
Whether it's through healthcare innovations, yung community outreach programs natin, or empowered employees, Unilab continues to positively impact lives every single day.
Alam mo, I agree, and that's what makes today so special, Robby. Because it's not just about recognizing or celebrating the past, it's about really recognizing and acknowledging where Unilab is today.
Kaya ang sarap makita itong logo na ito. Ripples of change that has started 8 years ago, and they are still making waves right here, right now, today, touching people's lives and putting smiles on their faces.
Correct. Alam mo, kahit tayo napapangiti dyan.
Totoo.
Lahat napapangiti talaga sa impact ng Unilab sa mga tao. And speaking of ngiti, nasa usapan na rin tayo ng ngiti. To perform an OPM classic which never fails na kumurot ng ating damdamin, please welcome one of the most in-demand teen female actresses and performers today, Bel Mariano.
Ayan ang dalawang magaling mag-host, Main at Robby. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more updates. This is Victoria Reaction Vlog. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.